Hey, I am Natalie from A Ray of Sunlight, and today I am taking this off of this dresser so I can add legs to this dresser and update it completely change the look of this dresser. So I'll show you how I'm going to do it all, but the main tool that I'm going to use, or the secret weapon, I guess, not the main tool, but is this Dremel MM45, Multi-Max MM45. I could use a jigsaw or circular saw, but really this is gonna make my life so much easier and make a great cut. So let me show you how to just use this. This is just a wood blade, and I am going to do the quick lock, so I just turn that, and then put that into place and lock it down. Super easy. So let's get started. I am actually going to be using my drill and my hammer as well. If you can see, there are screws holding this board in place, but there are no screws holding this board. This board it goes down past this trim, so we need to cut this board down here, and we also need to get rid of this and this. So I will unscrew this, and I might need my hammer to get rid of this as well. We have now just cut some wood. It's 1 inch thick by 1.5 inches wide by 5 inches long. So then we can attach a furniture leg plate to it, and it will be all secure once we screw it in, and then we just have to add the legs on.